In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the Xfinity XR-15 voice remote's batteries. Now, most of the time, you'll be able to tell that your batteries are getting low because your cable box will alert you, and also the voice feature tends not to work when your batteries are running low. So we'll go ahead, flip our remote upside down, and you're going to notice that there is this base plate here. This entire plate is going to need to come off in order for us to access the batteries. So we'll place our thumb at the top and gently pull down, and it should pop free just like that. And here you can see we have our old battery compartment, and so we will just gently press down from the positive side so it depresses the spring, and then we can remove the batteries from the remote. With the old batteries now set aside, we're going to go ahead and grab some fresh AA batteries. Now, all you need to do is make sure that you align these batteries correctly with the compartment. Make sure the positive aligns with positive and the negative with the negative side. And with the batteries now back in place, we'll go ahead and take that cover and make sure to line up that little notch with the groove that is on the remote. So once we have that set, we'll put it in the middle and then gently slide it up until it clicks into place. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.